South Korean car maker Hyundai has driven past a big milestone, 20 years in India. But as it embarks on the next leg of its drive in the country, the company says the immediate focus is on accelerating growth in its SUV and compact SUV segments. CNBC TV 18's Jude Sannith has more.
This marks 2 decades of Hyundai in India, and the Korean car maker's journey has been filled with triumphs in the face of numerous hurdles. But with 20 years and a $3.1 billion investment under the hood, the company is looking forward to not only maintaining its position as India's top auto exporter, it wants to inch closer to the #1 spot in the Indian market. To this end, Hyundai, which has registered its largest ever sales of 4.84 lakh cars in FY16, and the immediate focus will be on ramping up its SUV and compact SUV portfolios.
Creta is a very successful product, and then we want to upgrade, one step ahead of product, the Tucson, and then we launch the sub-4 to expand our customer to observe.
Clearly, Hyundai is in no mood to shy away from the stiff competition in the Indian SUV marketplace. This competition will only get fiercer as Hyundai moves to rebracket itself as a premium automobile brand. Of course, the company is quick to add that new launches will not work well if the distribution network is not strengthened.
We are targeting 470 dealers network for the 3S setup. Of course, we have to separate the setup for the rural market, and as you know, the digital market, digital sales outlet and rural sales outlet for the sales. So I think to give them more customer sales space, we have to expand. But we are not aiming too many dealer network in India.
For Hyundai, setting new records is just part of the big plan to hit a 7% annual growth rate for the next 3 years. That explains its intention of breaching the 5 lakh cars mark in sales this year, even if there are no immediate plans to expand capacity at its Chennai facility from the current 7.19 lakh cars per year. In Chennai, Jude, Sannith.
Those are Hyundai's big plans for the India markets. But